I've just got finished on an interview with Dan Knowlton of Knowlton Agency, co-host of the Business Anchors podcast with his brother Lloyd. And we talked about LinkedIn. He's massively used LinkedIn to grow and scale his agency. And, you know, he's done a lot of LinkedIn training online. He's done workshops with LinkedIn.
LinkedIn, from about 5 years ago, we were just automating content to go on it and not taking it seriously at all. So I'd say probably about 2 years ago, we actually started thinking, we can't just automate content to go on this platform just because it's something we should be doing.
What do you find is the biggest misconception when you talk to somebody, whether it's someone in a brick and mortar or maybe somebody from hospitality, you say, oh, you should check out LinkedIn. What do you think the biggest misconception is when people talk about that platform?
They think that LinkedIn is just a place where you go to get a job, or you sort of upload your CV to get a new job. It's a fair, understanding of it, because that's what it started at. It started as somewhere where mainly for recruiters and people searching for jobs, where you go and you get a job or you apply for jobs. Whereas now it's completely evolved into this sort of social media powerhouse. It's so much more than that now.
What would you say is the biggest mistake that you see people make when they're sort of posting content on LinkedIn?
It's important to understand the differences for each platform. It's a completely different audience. One of the biggest mistakes that I see people kind of having when they're posting on LinkedIn is that they try to be all corporate. For some reason, we get this mentality that LinkedIn's a business platform, which it is known for, a B2B platform. But people get in this kind of corporate mentality where they need to be very stiff and have no personality.